Okay, so I've pulled the fuel inlet line, and there was nothing in it, no pressure. If there was, the fuel pump actually had fuel and it had a stuck needle and seat or float or something that was blocking it to where it would not fill the bowls, there'd probably be a little back pressure on there and it would have had a little something something.
Right. But
it ain't got nothing. So, Mr. Scotty, if you would be a dear and just crank it like 10 seconds. Go ahead, if it fires, it's okay. Okay, I have my finger over it while you were cranking,
right.
And I can feel it attempting to pump.
I wonder if the backflow valve is bad, which would still give us a bad fuel pump no matter what.
Or the valve on the inlet side is stuck, which is possible. Right. Or that stupid added-in fuel filter that I bitched and complained about how long ago is plugged full of caca.
Yeah. So,
you know, at least it cranks and cranks reliably now, so that's done. So I think we kind of know our next steps. But, I mean,
yank fuel filter, put a better one in.
At this point, I would yank that out,
right.
Put my finger on the other side of the pump just to see if it's sucking.
Right.
And if it's sucking, then I would just put a piece of hose and say the hell with that thing for right now and see if we can get it to run. And if not, then we'll dig into the pump. I mean, it's not out of fuel, obviously.
Right.
So there's a lot going on here that needs to be addressed. And I mean, we have the whole damn inspection that we did.
Right.
So we got a whole list we got to go through. And I mean, it's going to be one of those where, you know, we can fix this and make it run, but, you know, we have 900 other things that need to be addressed before this thing should be allowed on the road. But there we are. So that's where I'm at now. I think let's pull that. Let's just undo that filter on this side of it, on the outlet side,
right,
and just see if we have suck. I had to say that to Scotty because
I'm trying to make sure the
Scotty's
videos
got that part.
Oh,
little dribble.
But this line going forward, completely, utterly dry.
Oh, that's cute. So whatever fuel's in that filter is residual behind the level of the line, I would assume.
Yep.
Let me go over there. Here, Mag, put the light right there. I'll be right there. I'm gonna put my finger on it. I'm gonna finger it, and you can see if you can make it suck. Wait a minute. Scotty, see, this is how we have fun. If we didn't have fun like this,
there'd be a whole lot of...
I would have quit.
Yeah, there'd be a whole lot of...
I would have quit, sold everything, and moved across the country, and nobody would ever know where I'm at or hear from me again, because that's how annoyed
So you'd leave me here all by myself?
Okay, I'd take you with me.
Okay.
Do you want to just go drink beer and go race every week, and that's all we do?
When?
Exactly, that's kind of fun, see?
When you're ready.
All right. Operation Attempt to Suck.
3, 2, 1.
Yep. We got no suck.
So we have carb issues and possible fuel pump issues because there's no fuel coming out of that line.
Well, I think our carb is fine. I think our main issue is we do not have enough suck to get fuel over there. I mean, crank it again. I mean, it's not even... I can feel it pulsing, but if it was sucking, it would be like putting a mark on my finger. And there's nothing. I mean, it's... So we found your next issue, which I think on our big quote,
I think it was
on there that we need to do the fuel pump. So, all right. Well, Drew, we kind of know where we're at. So...
Shh, there's a gay mafia.
What'd you do?
It's the mauve hand.
What? You went way off the deep end on this one. Anyway, so we know where we're at. We know what we need to do. We know it fires up and runs if you fill the bowl up just fine. So, yay. It's got blow and no suck. I had to say that to
Isn't it really? Well, it should be called a suck job, not a blow job, because you're actually not trying to blow it.
Yeah, if you were, you would just.
I'd take at least 60 psi.
Dangle that shit in front of the fan and call it good. Huh?
Yeah, exactly.
Not these fans though, because that would get dangerous. Anyway, all right. So we know where we're at. We know what we're doing. What the fuck was that? What flashed? That was weird. That was scary.
They're coming to take me away. Ha ha ho ho hee hee.
Oh my god. All right. So on to our next step.